டோக்கியோ தமிழ் சங்கத்திலேருந்து எங்கள் வணக்கம் வித்யுத் சார். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம வந்து சென்னை சூப்பர் கிங்ஸ் வர்சஸ் டெல்லி கேபிட்டல்ஸ் மேட்ச் ப்ரிவ்யூ பத்தி போறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சிஎஸ்கே வர்சஸ் ராஜஸ்தான் ராயல்ஸ் பத்தி கொஞ்சம் ஒரு ரிவ்யூ. சிஎஸ்கே lost to Rajasthan Royals by 60 runs. They batted second, then scored 200. They were chasing 216. What are your thoughts with you, sir?
I think we were outplayed in all departments. Nalla win kapra vando, but I thought Sanju Samson played a blinder, unbelievable. I think one of the best knocks in the IPL. So ball one lane, I think they had the upper hand, and the Samson knock and the last over, of course, almost 27 runs went. So upway, it was an uphill task for us. Definitely we could have bowled better. I thought the spinners bowled a very, very full length. It was very easy for the batsman to hit. Ninga Rajasthan spinners back off length potanga. It was holding him at batting varla. And Watson also got bowled by trying to play a big shot, and even MBJ. So konja back off length potanga, ball was not coming onto the bat. But we bowled a very, very full length. Credit to Sanju Samson, he played an amazing knock. But I think we bowled a lot in the hitting areas. Unnu konja length maathinde, unnu konja proactive and I thought we could have been a lot better. Definitely 180 is my target. That we had the batting power to chase it down, but didn't happen. I think one thing in the Mari game early on the tournament nadakadhu better. It really opens up a lot of areas where we can improve upon. So now it is good for us. Konja strategy rethink panno. Maybe looking at batting first in the tournament la paatha 6 match I think teams batting first have won the game. So adu kuda maybe we need to slowly look at, and some changes in the team combination. I think we will be fine. Now sonna mari it's only one off game. Definitely we were not close to what we are capable of. Now first game actually we didn't play to our potential, but still we beat Mumbai Indians. So and in the game character Raidu was not fit. It was a big blow for us. Faf and Raidu were two batsmen who played very, very well in the first game. So that could have worked against us. But I don't want to look too much into in the Orioles. We have a crucial game coming up today, and I hope we rethink our strategy and get back to our winning ways.
நீங்க சொன்னது absolutely correct. Spinners and the length and pace was definitely பெரிய difference because நம்ம ஸ்பின்னர்ஸ் போட்ட ஃபிகர்ஸ்ல வந்து 8 ஓவர் போட்டாங்க, 95 ரன் ஒரே விக்கெட் தான் எடுத்தாங்க. Rajasthan Royals spinners bowled the same 8 overs. They gave away 75 runs, but they took 4 wickets. So on the length difference and pace difference was definitely a huge factor. On the கடைசி ஓவர் லுங்கி இங்கி போட்ட ஓவர் 2 நோ பால் போட்டாரு, 30 ரன் போச்சு அந்த ஓவர். அதுதான் கடைசியில அதுதான் டிஃபரன்ஸா அப்படின்னு நினைக்கிறீங்களா?
Definitely. See, he had a very, very bad day. Every cricketer goes through that. Maybe எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு definitely Yorkers try பண்ணல. நம்ம ஒரு Yorker கூட போடல actually. எல்லா பாலும் அடிச்சது hitting slotல. It's not easy. It's easier said than done. But maybe அது இன்னும் ட்ரை பண்ணிருக்கலாம். எல்லா பாலும் hit. And இந்த டோர்னமெண்ட் பார்த்தா இது வரைக்கும் பார்த்தா all some brilliant bowlers like Nigidi and Pat Cummins and Jordan to an extent as well. Pace on the ball இந்த அடிக்கிறது ஈஸியா இருக்கு. The more you take the pace off the ball, it becomes Netikoda staying power end catches went against the catches drop panaanga. But I think that is going to be the trend. We have to take the speed off the ball in the wicket in the tournament la ena po திரும்பி repeat பண்ண 3 சென்டர் தான் இருக்கு இந்தியால ஆடச்சே நிறைய சென்டர்ஸ் இருக்கு. So you have time to prepare the wicket. இங்க 3 சென்டர் அதே விக்கெட்ல ஆடிட்டு போறோம். So pace of the ball is going to play a huge factor. அது வந்து அதான் சொன்னேன், teams have to rethink the strategy. ரொம்ப early in the tournament still. So teams are slowly feeling their way in. I'm sure they come up with and CSK especially. Ninga sonna mari maybe we'll look at some change. Maybe we'll bring in Imran Tahir who will be who's a phenomenal bowler. T20 he has a great track record. He's a wicket taker. He bowls well in the power play, middle overs nalla poda. So maybe you can think of getting in Shardul Thakur, another spinner, rendu leg spinner dharama aadla, Ravindra Jadeja irukkaru. So adu mari changes panna and திரும்பி நேத்துக்கு ஆடின விக்கெட்ல நீங்க ஆட போறோம்னா டெஃபினட்டா எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு இன்னொரு ஸ்பின்னர் ஆடணும். ஏன்னா 3-4 பாசிபிள் ஆடுறது வேஸ்ட். ஸோ அது மாதிரி ஐ திங்க் there will be a few changes and we have to be smart about that. நான் சொன்ன மாதிரி it's still very, very early in the tournament and teams will come up with new strategies. அதான் பட் நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி last over definitely made a big difference. But it happens to a bowler. Definitely it happens to a bowler. No balls didn't help. No balls in line, it wouldn't have been that bad actually. Okay, so I'm sure he'll come back strong. Yeah.
ஆமா நம்ம ஒரு 16 runs வாக்குல தான் தோத்தோம். லைக் we didn't let it go too far also. Batting wise நம்ம bowling பத்தி பேசணும். Battingல வந்து do you think the missing of Ambati Rayudu was really a big effect நம்ம டீம்ல? நான் பார்த்தபடி டாப் டூ பிளஸி கொஞ்சம் விளையாட ஆரம்பிக்கும் போது கொஞ்சம் டைம் எடுத்துப்பாரு, கொஞ்சம் செட்டில் ஆகிறதுக்கு. ஒரு 2-3 சிங்கிள்ஸ், ஃபியூ டபுள்ஸ் ஓடி அதுக்கப்புறம் once he really assesses the pitch, that's when அவர் விளையாட ஆரம்பிப்பாரு. அப்போ வந்து ஒரு அம்பாட்டி ராயுடு மாதிரி ஒரு லைக் பேட்ஸ்மேன் who takes off in a faster manner இருந்தா, do you think that would have brought more balance to our run chase?
Yeah, if Rayudu in that, it would have made a big impact to the team. That's why doubt illa. Rayudu was in red hot form. The way he played the first game was, the way he was striking the ball so beautifully, very similar to what KL Rahul did yesterday actually. Rendu peru they were striking the ball so well, so it was definitely a big loss. Enak therinju 216 mari target na rendu pere will make a big difference. One is Shane Watson had to play a blinder. இல்ல நம்மள தோனி. I think if தோனியை கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி வந்தா வச்சுக்கோங்களேன், it would have made a difference. At least before Gaikwad and Jadhav, Sam Curran, because you had two leg spinners bowling and we had to build some momentum. அந்த டைம்ல momentum build பண்ண வேண்டியது. So அதுக்கப்புறம் தோனி வந்து would have given some more time and you would have got 2-3 overs to get a little set, and then you've been able to launch. And up on the time, the last 2 overs 35 runs kuda number, we are very very capable of chasing it. So yes, Watson Dhoni would have played a big effect. Rayudu would have miss pannom, ana Dhoni konjam mela vandinda at least before Gaikwad and Jadhav, it would have made a big difference. And Gaikwad on the stage at 13 runs per over is sending a debutant now. I'm not justifying what he did in the first ball. I don't know what, there's nothing behind the shot. But 13 runs per over, you're sending a young guy. And the time of Dhoni vandinda, he would have been able to take the nerves a lot easier. So I'll make few statistical changes here and there. I think will be fine for the guy. Dhoni, definitely Faf also, the pressure would have been less on Faf as well on the time, like if Dhoni had come in at that point. So, that's something we definitely have to look at. Keeping in mind, Raina and Rayudu not available, and Bravo also is not available. அந்த மாதிரி இருக்குச்சு. நான் நினைக்கிறேன் Dhoni has to put his hand up, come a little more up the order. நான் வந்து number 3, number 4 வரணும்னு சொல்ல, at least number 5, number 6 வந்தா it will add lot more value to the team.
ஆமா, that's actually இப்போ past few days அதுதான் பெரிய டாபிக் ஆஃப் டிஸ்கஷன். தோனி ஏன் அவ்வளோ லேட்டா வந்தாரு, ஏன் முன்னாடி வரல அப்படின்னு. அவரோட எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன் போஸ்ட் மேட்ச் பிரசன்டேஷன்ல சொன்னாரு தட் நான் ரொம்ப ஒரு வருஷமா விளையாடவே. So I'm a bit rusty. அதனால தான் we're trying new things. We're sending new players up the order to see how they're performing. நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி absolutely it's an early part of the tournament. இப்போதான் it's the right time to make mistakes and learn and move on, and hopefully in the gameல they'll correct some of their mistakes. Squad wise நீங்க என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? இந்த புது அடுத்த கேம்க்குள்ள போறோம்னா ஏதாவது difference you think we need to make any changes?
Yeah, like I said, நான் வந்து suppose நம்ம நேத்திக்கு ஆடின விக்கெட்ல ஆட போறோம்னா நான் டெஃபினட்டா நான் look to bring in Imran Tahir 200%. Maybe give Nigidi rest this game and bring Tahir. Wicket is going to slow down. And நேத்திக்கு பாத்தீங்க Murugan Ashwin and Bishnoi both were successful. Both spinners are very very successful. So keeping all that in mind, especially on the other wicket lana, definitely Imran Tahir in place of Nigidi, I will look, and I would also look to get in Shardul Thakur. Because he is a good bowler. You have Thakur, Deepak Chahar and Sam Curran, and maybe Gaikwad can give him a break. Apna batsman aaduma tharla T20 la. You are talking about Jadeja at number 7, number 8. Now definitely Jadeja unnu better use panna bat oda. He's a match winner with the bat, and middle overs like can run very well. He can play the big shots. I think Dhoni and him will complement each other very very well at maybe 5 and 6 or at least 4 and 5. So anga enak therinja Jadhav number 7, number 8 la waste பண்றோம் கட்டாயமா. So avla bowler தேவையா, avla batsman தேவையா. So definitely we can look at another bowler. Bowling is a slight concern. Batting பார்த்தா first match நம்ம 160 comfortable chase பண்ணோம். Last match கூட whatever hiccup we had, we got to 200 actually. Okay. So definitely நம்ம bowling பார்க்கலாம். And if we are continuing we're going to play in a fresh wicket, we can definitely look at Hazelwood in place of Nigidi. அவர் இப்போதான் இங்கிலாந்து நல்லா போட்டு நல்லா ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்காரு actually. So these are things we can definitely look at. It all depends on the condition. எந்த விக்கெட்ல ஆட போறோம்னு that will make a big difference. Yeah,
definitely. நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி absolutely correct தான். Dhoni usually likes to go into a game with an extra option of a bowler. When or bowler is having a bad day, then he likes to give it to uh, a different, maybe a part-time spinner or something. I think Kedar Jadhav, past few matches they haven't tried him. Maybe it's time to try him out. But definitely, our option of having 6 or 7 bowlers in the team would definitely, I think, add a big factor to the next few games. Many very good Indian youngsters in that team. Rishabh Pant, Shreyas Iyer, a lot of them could potentially be the future of Indian cricket. அவங்கள பத்தி என்ன நினைக்கிறீங்க? How formidable are they as a side because of that Indian strength?
Actually, in the tournament start பண்ண I really feel and I still believe that Delhi Capitals are definitely front runners for this tournament. நான் ஏன் சொல்றேன்னா I strongly believe ஒரு டீமுக்கு ஒரு strong Indian contingent in them, it makes it a lot easier for the overseas players. And we are talking about players like Shikhar Dhawan, நீங்க சொன்ன மாதிரி Rishabh Pant, Shreyas Iyer is batting well and leading the team beautifully as well. நம்ம Ravi Ashwin இருக்காரு, you know how he started last game. I think it's fit for this game. And don't forget Ajinkya Rahane. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு Rahane has to play. Absolutely. And I think he will have a lot to contribute, especially keeping the conditions in mind. Somebody who can bat through the innings, and Prithvi Shaw will also come good. So அவங்க வந்து ஒரு brilliant side on paper. First game அவ்வளவு சரியா ஆடாம கூட வின் பண்ணிட்டாங்க எப்படியோ சூப்பர் ஓவர்ல. And அவங்க எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு they have one of the best coaches, Ricky Ponting. நான் வந்து I had first hand experience at Delhi Daredevils before it became Delhi Capitals. Delhi Daredevils நான் ஒரு வருஷம் I worked with their squad for a while and I saw first hand how Ricky Ponting works. அவர் வந்து I've never seen everything, the strategical inputs, the way his work ethic எல்லாமே is fantastic. So they are a force to reckon with. And அவங்க கூட it's going to be a very very tough game. Chennai எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு they have to really get things moving. Delhi Capitals are a good side. They are going to come very very strong. Okay, they're coming from a win. But எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு CSK வந்து நம்மளுக்கு we have a very very, I again repeat, we have a great mix of experience and youth, and if we get the right combination, and I think in the time we need to be a little proactive in the sense like we need to see how the tournament is going. Our match வந்து first batting ஆன டீம் தான் வின் பண்ணிருக்காங்க, சரியா? So நம்ம we can't be saying நம்ம chasing na strong நம்ம maybe anga we have to make a small change. Say number 180 acha second innings, maybe if Tahir is playing, talking about Piyush Chawla, Jadeja, and they are straight away going to come into the game. Sam Curran can bowl cutters, he can bowl the new ball, even the older ball he bowls well. So maybe we'll have to rethink our strategy a little bit. And adu mari panna we will Chennai beat panna, you have to play very very well. Okay, but Delhi is one team which can do that. Enakku thenju it is going to be a great game of cricket. I am very looking forward to it. It will be fantastic. Delhi playing to potential, Chennai playing to potential. You cannot predict. Both teams are, I think, very, very good.
They're an extremely balanced side, and on the Marcus Stoinis factor, like we saw in the previous game, Kadasi overla vandu he gave them a huge boost in the score, and then bowling koda, like he started off a little iffy when he bowled the final over, but then he picked 2 wickets and took it to the super over. And avanga spinners, I think Shane Watson vandu CSK ku vandu past couple games little bit iffy. But if he strikes it big, absolutely, it's going to be a game changer. Correct?
Yeah, definitely. I think Delhi Capitals when the Stoinis was the game changer. And the time, I think Delhi would have only got 125 if Stoinis had got at that point.
Yes.
That was a blinder. And again, what helped was Stoinis he played against England and came, so he was match fit, and you need to give people like Watson time. அவர் வந்து obviously நிறைய பேர் 6 மாசம் இந்த pandemicல ஆடவே இல்ல. அது முன்னாடி கூட அவர் is off cricket completely. So on the CSK last year அப்புறம் ஆடினா, I don't know if he has played, but அவர் வந்து is a quality player. He is a match winner. நீங்க பாத்தீங்க 2018 and 19 finals you saw what 2018 he got 100 in the finals. 19 he almost won the game for a single-handedly. So he needs some time. Let's face it. நீ எவ்வளவு பெரிய பிளேயர்னா கூட you need to get that match fitness back. He is a very very important member first, and that திரும்பி repeat பண்ண high scores chase பண்ணோம்னா Watson has to get going. அது பண்ணா it will be
Definitely.
easy for the middle order, and he is very capable of doing it. He is an impact player. He Stoinis is a big impact player for Delhi Capitals. நம்ம டீம்ல நிறைய இருக்காங்க. தோனி இருக்காரு, வாட்சன் இருக்காரு, and if Bravo comes he will make a big difference. நான் திரும்பி இந்த இன்டர்வியூ ரிப்பீட் பண்ண, நம்ம வந்து ஜடேஜாவை டெஃபினட்டா பெட்டரா யூஸ் பண்ணோம். he is number 1 ஆல்ரவுண்டர் in the world இப்போ. ஓகே, அவர் வந்து பேட்டிங் வந்து நீங்க பாத்தீங்க வேர்ல்ட் கப் நியூசிலாந்துல இம்பாசிபிள் சிச்சுவேஷன் he almost made us win the game. Okay, so அந்த மாதிரி players they have to, நான் ஏன் சொல்றேன்னா without Raina and Raidu we are talking about 2 match winners they are missing. So அந்த டைம்ல நீ தோனி ஜடேஜா step up na, it will become easier for the other players to see the team through. Illana you are putting too much pressure on the other players, so that's going to be a fact. And I really hope Dhoni comes up the order. அவர் நல்ல ஃபார்ம்ல இருக்க, நீங்க பாத்தீங்க, although 360 didn't matter in the end, he is still striking the ball beautifully. So I think that will அவருக்கு நிறைய கான்ஃபிடன்ஸ் வந்திருக்கும். And I think definitely start coming slightly more up the order for us.
Yeah, and அவர் பண்ண like கடைசி ஓவர்ல 3 சிக்ஸர் அடிச்சாரு. அது வந்து sort of negated the net run rate factor a little bit, at least, so that we didn't lose by huge amount of runs. In terms of, I think CSK did well in the previous game. In the game la vandu neenga sonna Watson is a huge factor, Stoinis is a huge factor. I think it's going to be an extremely close contest. Neenga sonna it's going to be really exciting because Shane Watson vandu he's a brilliant player obviously, but Akshar Patel and Amit Mishra in the past have had really good records against him. They've got him out multiple times for very few runs, and it's going to be a very close contest. That's definitely for sure.
ஆமா, இந்த T20ல the toughest job to do is not to play the game, to predict the game, to predict the winner. அது வந்து it's almost impossible, especially maybe ஒரு midway to the tournament will be a lot easier by team oda form தெரியும், body language பார்த்து நிறைய we can at least அப்போ we can be a little close to making prediction. Number who thought Rajasthan Royals will beat Chennai so convincingly, and நம்ம யோசிக்கல, especially after Chennai played so well in the first game. So and same with Kings 11 last night. RCB had a fantastic performance the first game. Nethi vande Kings 11 just walked through them. Okay, so again in the format la vande it's a difficult call to take, but enna keta I'm being very honest. I'm not talking like a former CSK player, but maybe a slight edge towards Delhi nenikiren enakku. Okay, slight edge towards Delhi, but if CSK get the right people, the right place to bat, and கொஞ்சம் ஸ்பின்னர்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் பெட்டரா போட்டு நம்ம ஸ்லாக்ல கொஞ்சம் பெட்டரா போட்டா நம்மள அடிக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். டெஃபினட்டா நம்ம ஸ்லாக் ஓவர்ஸ்ல bowling ஸ்பின்னர்ஸ் கொஞ்சம், which they will do. Jadeja and Piyush Chawla, they have been playing this format for last 10 to 12 years. அவங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்ணனும் தெரியும், they will come back strongly. So it's going to be a very good game. Performance மட்டும் like I said early, the tournament is definitely a lot better than say the 10th 11th game, and they're going to build more pressure. It's a great learning for us, and I'm sure we'll be back strong.
Definitely. Kandipa enna nadakudunu paadam. Momentum wise they definitely have an edge, but hopefully CSK vandu correctana players, correctana batting order la amchi spinners konja length, line and pace control panni potanga, hopefully we can definitely win the next game. Thank you so much Vidyut sir for your time and your wonderful thoughts. Thank you.
Thank you so much. All the best.